see here, we're replacing the amalgam and the old tooth filling that I had. The reason why I was doing this because I didn't want metal to be in my mouth anymore, and I wanted to be metal free. This is how it looks after the amalgam was removed. As you can see, I had a lot more amalgam fillings in my mouth, and I had those removed also. The white filling was put in after we removed the mercury filling. Now the teeth will be ready to be filed down to get fitted for a crown, a temporary crown to go on first, and then I will put the permanent crown on in a few weeks later. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.